To get an Instagram API key or access token, first you want to open up your browser and head to developers.facebook.com, and then you want to log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Now, when you sign up for the first time, you will need to verify your phone number and your email address as well, and go through this sign up process or registration process. And then you want to select what best describes you and then complete the registration. Now, once you're signed in, you want to start by creating an app. So click on Create App button right here, and then click on Create App, and then give your app a name. So for example, my app, and give a contact email for the app, which they will use to contact you about your app, and then click on Next. Now, currently there is no option to select Instagram from these use cases. So in this case, you want to go to Others, and then scroll down and select Other, and then click on Next. And then you can click on Business and press Next. And now you should see this confirmation window where it confirms your app name, email, and stuff like that. You can also select a business portfolio if you have business portfolios created already. And then click on Create App, and it should take you to enter your password again to confirm this action. And once you enter your password again, it should take you to this page right here, which is your app page. Now you want to go to Instagram and click on Setup. And the first thing you'll need to do is expand this App Roles section on the left side, and then go to Roles. And now click on the Add People button, and then select Instagram Tester. And then you will need to search for your Instagram profile. So for example, my profile. Click on it, and then click on Add to add your own profile as a Instagram tester. Now this current invite is pending, so you can confirm it by clicking on this hypertext link, which says apps and websites, and it should open up a new Instagram page. Make sure you're signed into your Instagram, and then go to the tester invites, and from here you should see the invite to your app. Click on accept to accept the invitation, and you can remove it by clicking on the remove button. Now if you refresh the page, it should display the status as accepted. Now you should go back to the app dashboard. Click on the dashboard button right here, and then expand Instagram under the products, and then click on API setup with Instagram login. Now expand the generate access tokens, and from here you want to click on generate token link there, and then it should ask you to sign into your Instagram account, which is the one listed here. Click on the login button, and then click on save info. Now you want to make sure to grant these permissions to the app. Click on allow. You will also need to change your Instagram to a professional Instagram account or profile to be able to do this. And now you should be ready to go. Just click on I understand, and it should reveal your API token or access token, which you can use in your app to access Instagram, or basically send requests to Instagram. Also, make sure to not share this publicly with anyone. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.